Unboxing the meaning. Recycled containers. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that you might have come across in your daily life or while learning English: recycled containers. This phrase is not only important for language learners but also for those interested in environmental sustainability. Let's unpack its meaning and usage together, ensuring you can confidently incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary. So, stay tuned. First off, let's break down the phrase into two parts: recycled and containers. Recycled refers to materials that have been processed to make them suitable for reuse. It's about converting waste into new products to prevent the waste of potentially useful materials, reduce the consumption of fresh raw materials, reduce energy usage, and decrease air pollution and water pollution by reducing the need for conventional waste disposal. Containers are objects that can hold, store, or transport something. They come in various shapes and sizes and can be made from numerous materials, such as plastic, glass, metal, or cardboard. When we combine these terms, recycled containers are containers made from materials that have previously been used and processed. These containers might have had a past life as a different object before being transformed into a new container you might use for storage, packaging, or even for decorative purposes. Understanding the term recycled containers is crucial for a few reasons. 1. Environmental impact. It highlights the importance of recycling in reducing waste and conserving resources. By choosing recycled containers, individuals and businesses can significantly lower their environmental footprint. 2. Language and culture. The concept of recycling reflects a global movement towards sustainability. Learning about such phrases enriches your vocabulary and gives insights into cultural attitudes towards the environment. 3. Practical usage. In everyday life, you might encounter this term in various contexts, such as shopping for household items, reading product labels, or in discussions about sustainability. Knowing its meaning ensures you can participate in these conversations confidently. To help solidify your understanding, here are a few examples of how recycled containers might be used in sentences. I bought recycled containers for my kitchen to store dry goods. It feels good knowing they're eco-friendly. Our company has switched to using recycled containers for our products, reducing our carbon footprint. Did you know that these recycled containers can be recycled again after their current use? Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and significance of recycled containers. We hope this video has shed light on not just the phrase itself but also on the broader importance of recycling and sustainability. Remember, every small step towards using recycled products, like containers, makes a big difference in our world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep making a difference with your choices.